The smart manufacturing market is projected to reach nearly $790 billion by 2030, signaling a new era of data-driven production. This poses the need for better modernization and efficiency in operation.
And that's right, Khánh Minh, and the Resolution 57 of the Politburo identifies science, technology, innovation, and digital transformation as key drivers of productivity and competitiveness. And this creates a new momentum for businesses to adopt advanced technologies and accelerate the transition towards smart manufacturing.
From AI vision systems that detect defects automatically to autonomous robots, Vietnamese technology firms are developing a growing range of smart manufacturing solutions.
As global supply chains restructuring, Vietnamese firms are facing a critical test: automate or lose their competitive edge. This high-precision metrology system represents that shift, operating at triple the speed of traditional methods directly on automated lines, completely unaffected by harsh environments. Advanced systems like this are turning smart manufacturing into a reality, allowing factories to remove manual bottlenecks, drop defects to near zero, and safeguard their margins.
We connect PLC and SCADA systems, allowing machine data to be collected automatically without manual data entry. We also provide advanced planning and scheduling solutions to support production planning, digital twin solutions to simulate factory operations. These solutions can improve overall equipment effectiveness, or OEE, by between 10 and 20%, eliminate manual data entry, and increase data accuracy to nearly 100%.
While some processes can benefit from robotics and automation, others still require flexibility, human expertise, and manual operations.
Many businesses are likely to move through an intermediate phase that could be described as a human-centered factory. Factory operations are coordinated through robots and automation systems, while human workers remain the decision makers.
However, building a competitive smart manufacturing ecosystem depends also on how businesses and policymakers work together to support industrial transformation.
We will continue working with ministries and relevant agencies to gather recommendations from businesses and address policy and regulatory barriers in order to support the development of smart factory models in Vietnam. We are also collaborating with leading international organizations and countries to help Vietnamese businesses access advanced smart manufacturing models.
As Vietnam moves towards a more innovation-driven growth model under Resolution 57, the challenge may no longer be whether factories should become smarter, but how businesses can adopt technology in ways that deliver measurable value.